Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to make easy homemade ice cream without machine. This mango ice cream is eggless and you need only 3 ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need. For this recipe, I am using half a cup of fresh cream, half a cup of condensed milk and 1 cup of mango. Into a mixing bowl, add half a cup of fresh cream. Keep this in the fridge for 2 hours before you start your recipe. Using an electric beater, whisk it for 10 minutes. You can also use a whisk that will take 20 minutes. Now I am adding half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. You may also use whipping cream instead of fresh cream. Now whisk it for about a minute to get it combined. Into a small blender, add the chopped mangoes, grind into a fine puree. Add the mango puree to the bowl. I am adding 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped mangoes. You will enjoy when you bite into it. Gently mix the mango puree well to get it incorporated. Transfer the ice cream mixture into a container. To decorate the ice cream, I am adding some mango puree on top. Using a toothpick or a bamboo skewer or even back of the spoon, just give it a twirl as shown here. Cover the container, freeze it for about 4 to 6 hours or leave it overnight. Homemade ice cream is ready to be served. There you go. Simple and delicious mango ice cream with just 3 ingredients without any preservatives. Do try this recipe, share it with your family and friends. Homemade ice cream for this summer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.